Hey guys, and welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my losses for today. As you can see, today is August 14th, 2020, and my losses is $324.64. Just not good. So all I gotta tell you is losses is just part of it. It's just part of day trading and all that. So if this ever happens to you, just make sure you tell yourself that it is going to happen one day or the other. As you can clearly see, this chart here, it shows that we were pretty much downtrending, and like I say in the past, you kind of want to stay away from that. So it's pretty much going to happen either way you take it. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so yeah, so you can literally see that in the morning here we had a nice bounce, but it didn't make any sense. Like literally today it just didn't make any sense trading at all, if I'm being honest, because look at all of this. This is it's just atrocious. It's just really bad, because I was actually down maybe like 600 or so, and then I had to like dig myself back out of that hole, leaving me at like negative 100 or so, and then I went back into it. And as you can see, it's just bad. This is a horrible thing to do. All I can tell you is that I'm still overall green on the week, which is a great thing. So yeah, if we take a look here at /NQ, we can see that most of these if you look at most of the companies today, everything pretty much sold off. Everything was below the bottom VWAP. We can see here that it's negative 28 points down, which isn't crazy because even yesterday I think it was more than that. But yeah, let me know in the comment section, how did you guys actually do today? Did you guys actually trade? Because again, if you were trading today and you're actually on the long side, you would definitely lose money, because were you able to get on the top and try to sell out on the bottom of the day, you can clearly see that it was negative. Yeah, I just want to tell you that if this happens to you, just make sure to either take a break, come back maybe the next week, or just go through your all your trades just to see where you actually went wrong. Go through it, practice a little bit if you need to. For me, I'm still good because I'm still overall green on the week, and yeah, you just got to be cautious with choosing which day you need to actually take a trade. So yeah, that's pretty much my my video for today. 324 negative on the day. It is going to happen, guys. Like, red days are just part of it. It's just part of life. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section down below, what did you guys actually do today? Did you guys actually trade today, or you're not even bothering? Did you decide to like stay out of everything? Let me know in the comment section down below. So I want this channel to be very authentic, and as you can see, I make sure and show my losses as well as my profits, right? And that's just how it goes. So yeah, just remember, losses turns into lessons, and lessons turns into blessings. The more you practice, the better you become. That's my video for today, guys. Smash that like button, notification bell, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.